Excuse me, I would like to check in, but I think there is a problem with my reservation.
Do not panic, Sarah. I will coach you through it. This is exactly the kind of real English you need to know. Welcome to the show. Hello and welcome back. I am William, and today we are at a hotel. Well, not really, but let us pretend.
And I am Sarah. In today's episode 1, we'll play a traveler who has a booking problem at her hotel. William will coach me on what to say.
This episode is Level B1. That means you already know basic English and you want to sound more natural and confident in real situations.
We have 6 key phrases for you: check-in, room service, front desk, wake-up call, complimentary, and early checkout. These will make your hotel stays so much smoother. Okay, William, so I just arrived at the hotel after a long flight. I want to check in, but I think the system shows my room is not ready.
Okay, first step. Always go directly to the front desk. Do not wait near the door. Walk up and make eye contact with the receptionist.
Okay, so I go to the front desk and I say, "Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Sarah Collins. I would like to check in, please."
Perfect. Now the receptionist tells you there is a problem. Your room is not ready until 6 o'clock. It is only 2. What do you say?
I would say, "I understand, but I have been traveling all day. Is there any chance of an early checkout? No, wait, I mean an early check-in? Can I access my room before 6?
Ah, good catch. Early checkout means leaving early. Early check-in means arriving early. They are different. An easy mistake to make.
Got it. So I ask about early check-in. And then the receptionist says my room will be ready at 3, only 1 hour wait. She also tells me breakfast is complimentary.
Complimentary is a great word. When a hotel says something is complimentary, it means it is free, included in your stay. Always listen for that word. Let us break down the first 3 phrases in detail before we continue the story.
Phrase 1, check in. This is a phrasal verb. It means to officially register your arrival. You check in at a hotel, at an airport, and even at some events. For example, I need to check in before noon or they will give away my room.
Phrase 2, front desk. This is the reception area of the hotel. It is where you check in, ask questions, and report problems. For example, please call the front desk if you need extra towels.
Phrase 3, complimentary. This adjective means free or included at no charge. Hotels use it a lot. For example, the minibar items marked with a star are complimentary.
Now Sarah is in her room. But her night is not over yet. Let us see what happens next.
Okay, so I am finally in my room. It is 9 o'clock at night and I am too tired to go out. I want to order food. What do I do?
You order room service. Most hotels have a menu in the room. You call the front desk or the room service number, give your room number, and order what you want.
Oh, I love room service. It feels so luxurious to eat in your hotel room.
It is luxurious until you see the prices. But when you call for room service, here is a useful phrase. You can also request a wake-up call at the same time.
Good idea. My flight is at 7 a.m. So I should call the front desk and ask for a wake-up call at 5:30.
Exactly. And because your flight is so early, you should also ask about an early checkout. What time does checkout normally end?
Usually noon, right? So I would need an early checkout. I need to leave the hotel by 6:15 to catch my flight.
Perfect. So in one phone call to the front desk you can request room service, a wake-up call, and early checkout. Very efficient.
That is so much easier than I thought. And the best part, the front desk told me the wake-up call is complimentary, no extra charge. Now let us go through the final 3 phrases in depth.
Phrase 4, room service. This is the hotel service that brings food and drinks to your room. You find the menu in the room and you call a special number to order. For example, I ordered room service because I did not want to get dressed for dinner.
Phrase 5, wake-up call. This is when the hotel calls your room phone to wake you up at a time you choose. It is helpful when you have an early flight. For example, could you arrange a wake-up call for 6 a.m., please?
Phrase 6, early checkout. Standard checkout time is usually noon. If you need to leave before that, you request an early checkout. Some hotels charge a fee, but many do not. For example, I left at 5 in the morning, so I requested an early checkout the night before.
6 phrases, and a full hotel story. Now let us slow it all down so you can really absorb the pronunciation.
Slow repeat practice. Listen carefully and say each phrase aloud after me. Focus on the stress and rhythm. I would like to check in, please.
Please call the front desk.
I would like to order room service.
Could I have a wake-up call at 6?
Is breakfast complimentary?
I need to arrange an early checkout.
Quiz time. 4 questions. Pause, think, then check the answer. Let us go.
Question 1. You arrive at the hotel at 2 p.m. and you want to register and get your room key. What do you say? A. I want to check out. B. I would like to check in, please. C. I need room service.
The answer is B. I would like to check in, please. Check-in means to arrive and register at the hotel.
Question 2. You are hungry, but you do not want to leave your room. What service do you use? A. Wake-up call. B. Early checkout. C. Room service.
The answer is C. Room service. This brings food directly to your hotel room.
Question 3. The hotel says Wi-Fi is complimentary. What does this mean? A. Wi-Fi is very fast. B. Wi-Fi is only available in the lobby. C. Wi-Fi is free and included.
The answer is C. Wi-Fi is free and included. Complimentary always means no extra cost.
Question 4. Your flight is at 6 a.m. You need someone to wake you up at 4:30. What do you ask for? A. A front desk. B. Room service. C. A wake-up call.
The answer is C. A wake-up call. The hotel calls your room phone at the time you choose. Very useful for early flights. That is it for English 023. Today you learned check-in, front desk, room service, wake-up call, complimentary, and early checkout. 6 phrases for confident hotel English.
Next time you stay at a hotel, use these phrases. Ask for a wake-up call, check if breakfast is complimentary, and do not be afraid to speak to the front desk if something is wrong.
If you found this useful, subscribe and share it with someone who is planning to travel. Every episode we give you real English for real life.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing and we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.